For my next video, I'd like to do one on the Samsung S25 Ultra's S Pen. So this will work with the S24, S23, S22, S21. I'm not sure how far back they go with the S Pen. I am, however, on One UI 8, the newest overlay for Android 16 by Samsung. And there may be some differences between your One UI 7 to this one, but all in all, it's going to be a lot alike. Okay, so let's just dive right in, as I would say. Let's go to Settings and scroll down to Advanced, I believe. Amazes me that I can remember this. So Advanced Features, and then we're going to go to the S Pen. So this one right here. And what I'd like to do is go over all the settings. There's a lot to do with this, which I could make another video on just some of these categories. But all in all, I want to go over all the settings and show you how the S Pen sort of works. So it's inserted right now. We're going to take it out. It says removed, which is really cool. And I'm touching the screen. I'm actually going to do this video with the S Pen. So when you go on something, it highlights it. So as you can see, so let's just go right to the top. So Air Command. We have on the right side, Air Command, which is this right here. And I have it set to these different apps. Okay. So quickly access apps and S Pen features in a convenient collapsible menu you can drag anywhere on the screen. So here it is, and I can put it anywhere I want, I guess on left or right sides only. So there it is. And then here we have standard or compact. So this is standard. This is compact. So not sure, maybe I like that more so than standard. We'll keep it set to standard. So in other words, the only difference is you have your titles of what each one of these things are versus compact you don't. Okay, so and this right here, this is an entire video on by itself. So again, I'm just going to go over the settings of the S Pen and how it works. Shortcuts. So this is write on calendar, create a note, AI select, magnify, gallery, screen write, translate, drawing assist. So all these things are shortcuts that you can add or subtract. You can add more. You can subtract it by hitting the minus key to remove it. So that's shortcuts. Is that on here? Yeah, it's the same thing on here. That right here is how you change your shortcuts that are in here. Okay. I could have probably put that in one category, but they made two different boxes out of it. So show Air Command icon. So again, that's this right here, the pen, so we can show it or hide it. I keep it on all the time. Open Air Command with the pen button. Open the Air Command menu with when you hover your S Pen over the screen and press the pen button. So if I turn it on, hover it over the screen and push the pen button, it should come on. Open the Air Command menu when you hover your S Pen over the screen and, oh, the pen button, not the top of the pen. The pen button on the side of the pen. So there we go. So there's a difference. If you look at your pen, you have a pen button, and then the end of the pen has a click style. I was pushing the wrong one. So you push that, and then it'll pop right up. You have to have your dot on the screen, though, showing. Then it'll come right up. So I'll leave that on. And then we have translate. Choose which provider to use to translate text with your S Pen. Get added privacy by translating on your phone using only downloaded language tracks. I have Germany, English. I use German a lot. So that's how I translate when I go to translate with my phone. So I can even hit navigate up and it goes to the next screen. So that is air command. So let's go back. Now we have all our different ones. I was wondering why. I was thinking, why aren't all those air commands in one category? So they are. Air view, reviews, and pointer. So turn on air view to see exactly where your S Pen is pointing. So as you can see, it's moving. Turn on air view, previews to scroll or peeks into links, albums, and events by hovering your S Pen. So we can have preview and pointer, we can have pointer only, and then we can have previews only. So now see, I have no pointer. So if you got a choice to do them both, you might as well do them both. And I, of course, have that on. When the S Pen is removed, I like to create a note. I don't know why that was off there. So if I'm going to pull my pen out, obviously I'm going to do something with it and write it. I'm not just going to pick my teeth with it. So why not, instead of doing nothing, open air command. I don't always open air command, but I do always want to write a note. So I'm going to select that one. Screen off memos. This is very powerful. I've used this I don't know how many times. Very cool. Write notes when the screen is off. Just remove the S Pen and start writing. So I can't turn the screen off because my recording will stop. But picture in your mind's eye, the screen is off, your pen is in its slot, pull the pen out and you just start writing to take a note. It's fast. You're in line somewhere and somebody does something, you want to write a quick note down and jot down their license plate. Or there's a million reasons for it. But it's really neat to have a piece of paper, not really, a piece of virtual paper and a pen in your hand 24/7. So this is really a neat one to always have. Quick notes, press and hold the pen button, then tap the screen twice with your S Pen to create a new note. That kind of takes some memory sometimes when you have to do a new note hitting twice. More S Pen settings, allow multiple S Pens, which I have another pen for my tablet, so I allow to use either one. Warn if S Pen is left behind. Show a warning if you have left your S Pen behind and walk away from your phone while the screen is off. It tells me last removed and then the time I removed it. So that's neat. Sounds, play a sound when you insert or remove the S Pen or write on the screen. I used to have, and I don't anymore, I can't find it, but I'd had the lightsaber sound when I'd pull my pen out. It was pretty cool. Vibrations, vibrate your phone when you insert or remove your S Pen. Okay. And about S Pen features, we have Samsung Capture, which AI select or screen write. So that's an automatic one. Air command. It's just going over these, the different ones, magnify, translate, air command, and Samsung Capture. And then contact us. So that is all of the settings. We'll put this back in and it should say inserted. Yep. So that's about all the commands on the S Pen. I'll be doing another video on perhaps like air commands, air view. There's all kinds of stuff that you can do with that. This was just a quick overview of the S Pen. So I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Thank you for your time. And until next time, I'm out.